Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I bring for you mini twist. This is so beautiful and nice and easy. You can do it for yourself or you can find someone to print for you. Guys, this is really so beautiful and nice, easy and protective hairstyle. And I want to thank you to always return, come back to watching my video. This is really so beautiful. And if it's your first time to find this channel, don't forget subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hairstyle. I hope you're going to like it. Enjoy the video up to end. And this is really so beautiful. You can see this is really so beautiful and it's really simple and nice, and it's easy. You see guys, mini twist. This is so beautiful. You can see it's really so nice and beautiful. So guys, enjoy the video. Just I'm here to share with you different hairstyle, braids, natural hair. So if you return on my channel, just always share different hairstyle. If you should like to look always beautiful and nice, enjoy the video. Don't forget subscribe, comment for beautiful natural hairstyle.